I'm caffeine sensitive. A cup of coffee late in afternoon and I can't sleep till it's 3 a.m. the next morning. One morning I made a cup at 11, sat down to study and fell asleep right under an hour. The coffee did nothing. And that's when I realized that this was never about being tired. And it's not just us. Almost everyone who has ever seriously sat down to study has felt this. So, why does this actually happen? The moment you open your notes, especially for something that actually matters, your brain does a quick scan. The pile of notes, the incomplete mountain of syllabus, the ticking deadline of the exam, and quietly underneath all of it, the possibility that even if you try, it might not be enough. Your brain is ancient. It can't tell the difference between an exam and a predator. It just reads that pressure and mistakes it as a threat to its life and pulls the emergency brake. That brake is sleep. You are not tired, you would just rather go unconscious than sit with that fear. You can't think your way out of this one. You can't just tell yourself to relax. It's just an exam. That part of the brain doesn't understand logic, it understands evidence. The only way to convince that the threat isn't real is to stay in the room. Not finish everything, not tackle the hardest topic first, just stay there and read one page. Do the smallest thing that keeps you in contact with what you are trying to avoid. For every minute you sit there, your brain gets this signal that you are still here, that this is survivable. And slowly, without forcing it, that break releases. And if the sleep really won't go away, take a nap. 15 minutes and no more than that. A short walk right after, then come back later to study. But don't wait to feel ready. Don't look for the perfect time to start. Just open your page. The fear doesn't go away before you start, it goes away because you did.